Tracing evolutionary relationships. Various biological studies tell us that since their origin, living organisms have been undergoing changes in their organization to evolve into new forms. A number of common features of different kinds of organisms provide evidence in favor of evolution because they can be considered to have evolved from a common ancestor. Some of the important sources which provide evidences for organic evolution are homologous organs, analogous organs. Homologous organs are those organs which have the same basic structure but different functions. Example, forelimbs of a frog, bird and man. They are built from same basic design of bone, but they perform different functions like jumping, flying and grasping. Analogous organs are those organs which have different basic structure but same basic functions. Example, wings of insects and birds have different structures but they perform same function of flying.